Hello, welcome to the video. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can record your computer screen for free using OBS Studio. First of all, download the OBS Studio from the website given below in the description, which is obsproject.com/download. Then select how you want to download the installer. You can download the installer directly or via BitTorrent. Then after you have downloaded, go to your downloads folder and install the OBS installer on your computer. It is it will be in your downloads folder and then install it. I have already installed this in my computer and open the OBS Studio after you have installed it on your computer. At the very first, you will not see your screen in the application. What you will see is this, the black part in the application. And this is where you will see your screen, which is being captured. So how to bring screen in this black part of the application? Well, you have to add sources. Click on add and select display capture and name it monitor or any other name you want. Click on OK and select the display you want to capture. You might have multiple displays and you want to display one of the display. So if you want to capture any one of the display, go on this bar over here and select the display. I have only one display, so I'll press OK and there it is, the screen. So if you want to start recording your screen, then just click on start recording over here, and if you want to stop here, then click stop recording. I'll do it right now. I have started my recording and now I want to stop my recording. I will press stop recording and it's gonna stop recording. So that is it, guys. It's simple. You can capture your screen to do multiple things, to present something to anybody in order to make your own YouTube video just like this. So guys, I hope you capture your screen with OBS Studio, which is free, and there are lots of other software as well, but this software is very good software and I hope you use OBS Studio because it is very easy to use. And good luck, and this is me signing off.